suppose that, like me, you are seeing this regularly. You have placed a sketch, a rather rough sketch, and then you are tracing that manually. And as soon as you have something and you assign a fill to that, then the sketch gets hidden. And now you have to always go back and forth between outline mode and preview, and that doesn't really work. That's really slow. Let's take a look at some methods to deal with this situation, because we can do better, of course. Hello and welcome to the Vector Garden. And in order to dive right in, what we need is the Layers panel. So let's open the Layers panel, and you see we have just one layer. And just one layer is not a good situation for this. So let's first create a new one, and then let's name this one Sketch and this one Drawing. Okay. So what can we do to live with that? Of course, we can go into outline mode. Just go to View Outline or the shortcut, which is the Y, so Command Y or Control Y, and then you're here and you see the sketch is gone. That's not nice either. So what can we do? Of course, double click that sketch layer and make it a template layer, like this. Now it's locked. I'm going to unlock it and put those two into the drawing layer, and now lock it again so it doesn't get moved. That's fine. So now when we go into outline view, then you see the sketch stays. So all pixel images stay when they are on a template layer. That's the first tip, but still, then you see only the paths. So this is not really suitable. What else can we do? Let's go out of outline view, and for this, I need that second object, and I'm going to exchange fill and stroke by using Shift and X like this. So the next thing we can do is select this and set this to multiply. Then we see what's below, but that goes wrong as soon as we do the same with the wing here. So let's go to multiply as well, and you see, well, that doesn't really work either. So let's select the two and set them to normal again. Now, the next thing we can do is apply that multiply at a different level. We can also set the complete layer to multiply. And to do that, you click on the target symbol here and then go to multiply. And then you see on the layer, they do not multiply with each other, but the complete layer, so the complete drawing is multiplied. And then we can just draw as if everything would be there. That's nice. So that is a solution we can use, but I'm going to show you another way that you can do. So let's go here and let's set this back to normal again. Another thing you could do is take the sketch layer and put it on top, and then set that one to multiply. So you can do that with the image. So you can select the image and set it to multiply, or with this, you can do that to the layer as well. So you can target the layer and go here and set that to multiply, and then it works as well. What's crucial now, though, is that you lock the sketch layer so that you can select what's below. So those are your options that you can do in this situation to draw your sketches. If all you wanted to know is how to make your sketch visible under a couple of objects, then you should be fine now. But we have touched some concepts in this video that I have more information about. So if you want to know more about the concept of targeting layers, then I would recommend you watch that video in which I have explained that concept. And if you want to know more about vectorizing your sketches using the pen tool and all its subtools that belong to it and the modifier keys, then I would recommend that detailed video about the pen tool.